Now you don't see all
It's
of
like
the
a
jitters.
movie when he like comes in like that. Oh, it's so cool, man. When you watch on TV, nobody understands the speed of Formula One, and with this, you definitely can.
Yeah.
Oh, you got...
Is that the fastest camera drone in the world? Do you think that can keep up with me around the lap in an F1 car? I think that can be one of the best F1 shots ever.
Around Silverstone with RB20 with Max driving.
Stupid. Stupid idea to build this.
So first of all,
Car leaving to go.
Oh, he's there already. Ready? Recording? Okay, let's go up. Launch it.
Overboard in the air. This will be our full run. Join us starting the full run.
I'm on him. I'm going around the turn. It's kind of
Buy everything. That's so cool, dude. This is so cool.